Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to look at the question of who invented decimals. Well, decimals today are used virtually throughout the world. Everybody uses decimals. But in fact, it's only over the past 6,000 years that they have actually been used in some kind of formal way. The earlier Elanites in Persia had a system which seems to be decimal based, or some elements of it are. By the time we're at 2900 BC in Egypt and 2600 BC in the Indus Valley, we have systems which are based on some kind of decimal nomenclature. The same in China in 1400 BC, and it's not really until we get to India just before the transformation between BC and AD, that is about 1,000 years before Christ, do we find in India the start of a formal decimal system. Certainly it was written down in 400 BC in Pingala Sanskrit. There was a true decimal system, and this was the multiples of 10 written in the same way as we would write them. Archimedes was using this system in 250 BC. When we actually go further forward to 100 AD, we start to see decimal logarithms. And logarithms cannot survive without some number-based system. And decimal logarithms, that is logarithms to the base 10, using the decimal system, were certainly in use in the year 100 AD. So although informally decimal systems were used throughout history, it was not really until the last 2,000 years that we've used proper decimal numbers.